we have a bump where it's like there's templates.
Yes.
People love templates.
Done for you kind of thing.
So if I was selling, just plug and go type of thing. So if we're talking about advertising as an example, if I gave you my templates to create ads in less than 10 minutes, imagery or ad copy and all that, people would buy them. And if the bump is like $20, they're going to take it, right? So just all it does is increase the order value. So we do little bumps like that, and it's always template based, right? And we throw it in that. If we were doing a book funnel, our bump is always, hey, you're getting the physical book. Do you also want the audio? And then on top of that, would you also like a workbook that goes along with it, right? So there's two different bumps, right? Workbook might be $15 and the audio might be $10, right? Or something along those lines. Or you could bundle them together and be like, hey, do you want the audio and the workbook? And you could say it's $20 bundle, right? So we throw that in as the bumps. Now for OTOs, we like to create things that are complementary. So for example, with a lighting course, your complementary thing might be primarily in the lighting course, it's about photos. A lot of people are just focusing on photos. The OTO is how would you like to improve your lighting in your video? And then use the video and photography simultaneously, where you can actually turn the audio, the videos into something from your photos. Like you can mesh them all together and have like the perfect situation where your clients have both photo and video instead of just photo, and you could surprise them and charge more and all this other stuff, right? So it's almost like in his case, it was a hybrid of learn how to do this with photo and video, but then let me also show you how you can use this to make more money with your clients. Right. So it's complementary.
And everyone wants to make more money.
Boom, and you can make more money. But when you look at it beyond that point, like we don't have 3 or 4 OTOs like a marketer usually would, because in other markets, you flood them with too many things, they're never going to go through it. So we just simply want them to go through it, because how else would they get to the bundle? Most of these people that we're selling to in the videography, photography space, you show them one thing that does well, they will eventually buy your other stuff. We want to give them some time, because we find that the ones that often go through the course and say they love it will eventually buy the bundle anyway. It doesn't cost us anything to tell them about it, right? They're already on the list. They already bought something. Now, we don't do that until at least, I think it's like 10 days later. We don't start talking about the bundle until 10 days. By email, yep. We wait. And the great thing is my client tracks when people log in, where they've gone through, like all that sort of thing. So we know that as long as people have gone 50% of the way through, they have a higher chance of buying the bundle, right? Because they have already seen a fair amount of the content.